Today I am reviewing the Dell 16 DC16251 Touchscreen Laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you spend hours sitting at a desk and staring at a screen every single day, you already know that a sluggish, cramped laptop isn't just frustrating. It is an absolute productivity killer. You need something that is incredibly powerful, but it also has to be practical, secure, and comfortable to use for hours on end. Enter the Dell 16 DC16251 Touchscreen Laptop. This machine is deliberately built to be an absolute productivity workhorse, combining elite performance with an expansive, gorgeous touchscreen display. If you are a professional managing massive spreadsheets, a student handling heavy research, or a creator toggling between projects, this laptop aims to handle it all without breaking a sweat. Let's dive deep into what makes this machine a standout choice. Let's start under the hood, because the performance on this laptop is absolutely stellar. Dell has equipped this machine with the cutting-edge Intel Core i7-150U processor, featuring 10 cores and 12 threads with a turbo boost up to 5.4 GHz. It delivers enterprise-grade processing power. What does that mean for your daily routine? It means multitasking feels completely effortless. But a great processor needs great memory, and that is where this laptop truly dominates. It packs a massive 32 GB of high-speed DDR5 RAM running at 5200 MHz. You can open dozens of browser tabs, run background applications, and crunch data simultaneously without a single stutter. Paired with a lightning-fast 1 TB solid-state drive, your boot-up times are virtually instant. File transfers happen in the blink of an eye, and you have enough storage space to handle years of business archives or media projects. When you open up the laptop, the first thing that catches your eye is the impressive 16-inch touchscreen display. Dell chose a 16 by 10 aspect ratio with an FHD plus resolution of 1920 by 1200. That slightly taller 16 by 10 aspect ratio is a total game changer for productivity. It gives you significantly more vertical workspace, meaning you see more rows in your spreadsheets, more lines of code, or more text in a research document without constantly scrolling. The screen is also quite vibrant, pushing 300 nits of brightness, and it features an excellent anti-glare coating. Whether you are working under harsh office fluorescent lights or sitting by a sunny window at a coffee shop, your screen stays perfectly clear and readable. The user experience is further elevated by Windows 11 Pro, which brings professional-grade security features to the table. It also features integrated AI Copilot right at your fingertips, acting as a built-in virtual assistant to help summarize documents, draft emails, or streamline your workflow. For the physical user experience, Dell nailed the details. The keyboard is backlit, allowing you to type comfortably in dim lecture halls or on late-night flights. And it includes a dedicated numeric keypad, which is a massive time saver for anyone doing finance, accounting, or heavy data entry. Logging in is both fast and secure thanks to the built-in fingerprint reader, giving you biometric security with a single touch. Finally, let's talk about staying connected. This laptop features a highly versatile selection of ports, including HDMI for plugging into external monitors or projectors, high-speed USB Type-A and Type-C ports for all your modern peripherals, and even an SD card reader, which is incredibly rare and helpful for quick file access from cameras or devices. Backed by Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, your wireless internet connection remains rock solid and blazing fast, whether you are downloading massive files or streaming a video conference. All in all, the Dell 16 DC16251 is an absolute powerhouse. It brings together top-tier Intel Core i7 processing, a massive amount of modern DDR5 memory, a taller, productivity-focused touchscreen, and robust business-class security. It is a premium, dependable investment that will effortlessly carry you through years of intense work and study. If you want a laptop that refuses to compromise on speed or screen real estate, this machine is an incredible option.